In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the best discount code on NordVPN. So if you're looking to boost your internet security and save a lot of money while at it, make sure to follow the specifics in this video. Claiming the discount is pretty straightforward. First of all, my personal link is in the description below, which will allow you to claim the discount. But before that, let me show you what you'd normally pay for a monthly NordVPN subscription without my exclusive link. For the standard plan, it's going to cost you $12.99 per month, while the Plus plan will cost you $13.99 a month. And the Ultimate plan will set you back $15.99 per month. The monthly pricing saves you 0%. With my link, however, you're gonna get the best NordVPN deal. Let's talk about the 1-year plans first. The standard plan drops to $59.88 in total, which works out to just $4.99 per month. That's a huge saving. The Plus plan is only $71.88 for the year, making it $5.99 per month. Once again, massive savings. And for the Ultimate plan, you can get it for $95.88 for the whole year, or $7.99 per month. Now, the 1-year plan is a great money saver, but the 2-year plans just get better. You can get the standard plan for $81.36 in total, which is only $2.91 per month, and you'll also get 4 months completely free. The Plus plan is at $105.36, which amounts to just $3.76 per month, plus 4 free months. You can also unlock the Ultimate plan for $153.36, which breaks down to $5.48 per month, with 4 free months as a bonus. Really an insane deal for something like NordVPN. And if you think the deal stops there, it doesn't. If you purchase any of the 2-year plans using my exclusive link, you can share it with a friend, and they'll get 3 free months for free. So there you have it for this video. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.